In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an electronic signature to any PDF in just a few simple steps. Whether you're signing a document for work or handling contracts, you'll want to know how to add your signature quickly and easily. Stick around till the end because I'll share a secret tool that makes this process even simpler and give you an exclusive free trial just for watching. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you'll need is a PDF that you want to sign. This method works on any PDF, whether it's a contract, a form, or just a document you need to sign digitally. Now, you might be wondering, why go through this process when you could just print the document and scan it back in? Well, adding an electronic signature is faster, more secure, and in many cases legally binding. Plus, you save time and trees. So how do you actually add that electronic signature? Let's break it down. We'll be using a simple yet powerful software that streamlines the entire process. You can check out the link for an exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along and see how easy it is to use. This software makes it so simple, you won't believe how quickly you can get things done. Let's dive into the steps. Start by opening the PDF in the software. Once the file is open, you'll see an option that says Sign or Add Signature. It's usually pretty easy to find. Click on that and you'll be given several options. The most common choices are to type your name, draw your signature with your mouse or stylus, or upload an image of your signature. If you want the most authentic feel, I recommend using the drawing tool or uploading a scanned image of your signature. It only takes a couple of seconds. After you've chosen how you want to sign, the next step is to position your signature on the document. This is super simple. Just click and drag it into the place where you want it to appear. You can resize it too, so it fits perfectly into the designated space. Most software allows you to add multiple signatures in different areas if needed, so it's flexible depending on the document. Now, once you're happy with where your signature is placed, all that's left to do is save your signed PDF. That's it. You've just added an electronic signature to your PDF in less than a few minutes. But before you go, I want to make sure you get the most out of this video. The software we used is top tier, and I've partnered with them to give you an exclusive free trial so you can try it out for yourself. The link is in the description, so don't miss out. Key takeaway. Adding an electronic signature to any PDF is a simple and fast process that saves you time and effort. Just open your document, choose your signature method, position it, and save. Remember, I've got an exclusive free trial link below if you want to use the software we just went over. Quick recap. Open the PDF, select your signature option, drag it into place, and save. That's all there is to it. I hope this helps you get through your paperwork faster and easier. Don't forget to check out the free trial below to make the process even smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.